How to set up gifts on Instagram Reels. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can set up gifts on your Instagram Reels so that you will be able to earn money from it. So Instagram has just released a new feature called Gifts where your fans will be able to send you gifts on your Instagram Reels if they like, and once you get the gifts, you will be able to convert it to real money, and that is how you earn money from Instagram using the Instagram gifts feature. Now, as of now, this feature is in beta version, meaning it is not launched worldwide and it is only available in some parts of the US and only to some creators. Now, once this feature has been tested, it will be launched worldwide, and once you've enabled gifts on your Instagram, you will have to set it up so that your fans will be able to send you gifts. Now, to do that, you'll have to go to your professional dashboard, meaning you'll have to switch your Instagram account to a professional account. Now, once you've done that, under your tools you can see the option gift. Simply tap on it. After that, you will be taken to the gifts page where you can see the option allow gifts on Reels. So if this feature is turned off, all you have to do is simply toggle this feature on, and from now on other people will be able to send gifts on your Reels. So that is basically how you set up gifts on your Instagram Reels. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.